How to draw an armadillo, step by step. Hey, what is going on everyone? So for the first step of drawing our armadillo today, we're going to begin by drawing the top of the head along with the ear attached on the right hand side. And if you're new to the channel, then welcome. We upload new step-by-step drawing tutorials on a regular basis, so if you're looking for a new place to draw, then you're in the right spot. Now attached to the top of the head on the left hand side, let's go ahead and draw the second ear. This will be almost the same size as the first one that we previously drew together. Well done. Next we're going to want to draw the bottom of the face. So we'll draw two lines that are connected to that big shape in between those two ears. Now we can draw the eye right above the end point of where we just stopped. To draw the eye, let's make a small circle and fill it in completely black, just leaving a small white dot in the center. And right above the eye, we'll draw the outline of the inside of the ear, but we're not going to do this for both sides, just because the left ear will appear to be facing away. Great. I'm going to add in one more line right below the eye just to make the face a little bit longer. Now that we have the face drawn, we can now draw the shell, which will be connected to the head. To draw the top of the shell, let's draw one big curved line starting from the head and going all the way over to the right hand side of the page. Now to draw the rest of the shell on the inside, we're going to draw lines going up and down to help make the layers, which will also help us make the bottom of the shell. And at the very end of today's video, I'm going to show a picture of my drawing all colored in, just in case you want to pause the video and match your colors. Oh, and don't forget that if you're enjoying today's video so far, then be sure to give it a big like so that we can continue to grow our YouTube channel together. Now once we're all done drawing the shell, we're going to want to draw the tail, which will appear to be coming out of the bottom of the shell on the right hand side. Let's go ahead and make this right now. And for the detail of the tail, we're going to draw 3 small lines going up and down to help separate the colors. So as of right now, we have the shell drawn along with the tail and the head. Now we're going to want to draw the legs. The first legs that we draw will be on the left hand side, right beneath the head. The first leg that we draw will be a little bit bigger than the second, just because of the positioning of our armadillo. In total on each foot, there should be 3 toes. Now let's go ahead and draw the second leg and foot a little over to the left. Now before we draw the 2 back legs, let's draw the belly by making a small curved line right next to the leg. Now in between the belly and the tail, we're going to draw the 2 back legs. Now last but not least, to finish today's drawing, we're going to add in small spots on the top of the head along with some parts of the shell. When we draw these spots, we're going to make them by drawing small circles. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. This is how to draw a cartoon armadillo, step by step. If you want to see more videos just like this in the future, then be sure to subscribe because we upload on a regular basis. And if you want to learn how to draw more animals, then check out our animal drawing tutorial playlist, which I'll put a link to down in the description below. And in the description, I'll also include a link to the supplies that we use, including the paper, the background, the ring light, and even the Sharpies. Great job today, and thanks for drawing with me. See you next time. Hey Learn How to Draw Hub crew, if you like videos like this one, then we highly recommend that you consider hitting the subscribe button so that we can keep you updated on videos like this every single day.